Today we're going to be restoring this disgusting Super NES console. Just kidding, I need to fix my PS2 portable, so that's what I'll be doing in this video. However, I do plan on repairing and restoring this broken Super Nintendo, so be sure to subscribe so you won't miss it. Also, follow me on Instagram at BudgetFlex to stay up to date and get early previews for my upcoming videos. Anyways, about a month ago I finished building this portable. Click the card at the top right of the video if you'd like to see that video. Anyways, the issue is that now I have another problem. I was playing the other day and all of a sudden the sound stopped working mid-game, which leads me to believe that the vibrations caused one of the solder joints to break. So let's get this thing apart so we can take a look. You may have noticed since my previous video that I've added some thumb screws, so taking this thing apart is really simple now. I did this because changing the batteries was a pain when I have to look for a screwdriver every time it dies. Immediately I can tell that the speaker wires are fine, but I have a feeling that the coil wire may have broken. And it looks like I was right, so I guess I need to buy a new speaker, right? Wrong, we don't do that here. If it can be fixed, then we fix it. Alright, let's get this thing back together and make sure it works now. There we go. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know by leaving a like and comment down below. If you want to see more content like this, then be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. And as always, I hope to see you in the next one. Later.